We'll be taking a look at the Govee curtain lights. It can be installed indoors and outdoors because it has an IP65 waterproof rating. We have the user manual. We have the installation box. We have a screwdriver and some screws, and it can be installed with the G4 hooks with the adhesive tapes or the seamless nails. Works anywhere from the bedroom, outdoors, the living room. And we have the power supply, which has a water rating of IP44. And we have the Govee lights. And we have the control box, which you can manually turn on and off the lights or reset, and has an IP rating of 6.5. It has 520 RGB LED Christmas lights with these teardrop shaped bulbs, which allow more pixel density. And installation is easy, just choose your preferred installation and then connect it to the power adapter and plug it in. And it's also compatible with the Govee Home app, but also can be voice controlled with Alexa or Google Assistant. It has many presets and different modes like the enhanced music mode, which can sync up to music. And this has been the Govee curtain lights.